Among the various emergencies that our planet is facing, there are at least two that have to be quickly and sustainably solved: waste management and the production of energy from clean and renewable sources. These are two apparently different problems, having common topics that could give rise to extraordinary opportunities. Our cities produce tons of solid and organic waste every day. In addition to the well-known problem related to disposal, this contributes to increasing greenhouse gases. At the same time, our civilization is increasingly hungrier for energy. One opportunity to contribute in various ways to solving these problems, at least partially, is surprisingly closer to us than we might imagine, and it is in our homes. Food waste can become an extraordinary resource, but we really have to think that only if we work together with common awareness can we meet goals that are beneficial to all of us. Modern household food waste disposers, installed beneath the sink and used properly, start the treatment of food waste through a process of selective grinding of the organic waste right where it is produced, our kitchen sink. Additionally, this type of disposal immediately solves the problem of dripping bags, bad odors, and insects attracted by the waste, as well as saving us a lot of time. But let's take a closer look at what happens. The food scraps are finely ground and dissolved in cold water. This is not traditional grinding, but rather a sort of grater, so crown corks or other metals mixed with the waste or shredded plastics are not ground and do not pollute the waste collected. Our task is apparently finished, but now an amazing journey begins. Each of us helps to create what will be proven to be a valuable resource at home by disposing of food waste. In the beginning, the ground food waste, transformed into a sort of jelly, moves along a common path, still inside our homes. After this, it reaches a special tank that collects the flow. The tank is equipped with a system of pneumatic sensors to check its filling levels, while an overflow pipe and a discharging valve are provided in case of emergencies. On the tank's cover, a motor drives a mixer which keeps the water and the ground waste well stirred. A special pump can now suck the waste flow, bringing it to the innovative dewatering apparatus. Here, the flow enters from the top of the machine and goes downward. Then the combined action of a cochlea and a coaxial stainless screen brings the ground food, separated from the water again, upward to the discharge chute on the top of the machine. Thanks to a flexible discharge chute, the dewatered food waste is then collected in a dedicated waste bin. Tank and dewatering apparatus are driven by a central programmable control unit. The separated liquid is discharged through the drainage pipe down into the sewage. The ground and dewatered food waste, collected into the bin, is ready for its final transfer. The municipal solid waste company can now bring the food waste to the biogas plant or to the composting plant for its recycling as renewable byproduct. Intelligent management of food waste employing disposers and dehydrating apparatus has enabled us to solve many of the domestic problems arising from their waste management and simultaneously to contribute to create energy and fertilizer for our planet. Altogether now, only yours is missing.